Calling all the type 4 hair girlies. All the type 4 hair girlies, come to the front. So I was scrolling on TikTok and I saw this video.
If you're trying to fool people into thinking this is all your hair, well, this is the perfect half wig. When the wind blows, nobody will be able to see a thing. You don't have to worry about any lace, and there's multiple styles you can do with this wig. Here's how the back looks. This wig is so full, you'll definitely be able to achieve an afro look. There's combs surrounding the perimeter, an elastic band, and also a drawstring.
So add to cart, check out. I have not opened the box as yet. I wanted this to be a true first impressions because the way how I saw her just literally take the wig out of the bag, spray it down with water, put some layers in it, diffuse and fluff, and you got that. So we got it. So this is a half wig from Curly Me Hair. Okay, I opened the box. Wig on top. Oh, and we also have some goodies. Okay, we'll get into that later. Let's see what's in this bag. We have a storage bag and I think it's a bonnet with some goodies inside. Oh my God. I was going to struggle and use my metal clips. They sent the perfect ones. These are going to be perfect, especially on curly hair. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Now, let's see the wig. So the texture is Afro Kinky and it's 18 inches. Okay. Automatically, I love the construction of it because it has a drawstring in the back. If you're a wig wearer, you know that sometimes there's a gap in the back of some of the units. So with this allows you to tighten it so there's no gap, which means that it's possible for me to put it up in like a high bun. You know the vibes. But first, let me part out my hairline. This is going to be a literal first impressions install, and then we can probably go into styling.
What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we leave and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else.
Okay.
What if we stay?
I know already I'm gonna take out the combs out the sides because I don't like that. That's gonna bug me. But I will keep the one on top, but I will keep this one because I feel like it's nice to have that secured and like that. Okay, just off rip. I'm definitely gonna have to maybe dye the wig because it's in like a 1B color.
Can we leave and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else. What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we leave and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else.
Actually, I think I'm going to cut layers in it while it's dry instead of wet. Let's do that. So what I did was I got some eyebrow razors just to give you guys an idea of the style I'm going for. I'll pop up a picture right here. That is what we're trying to achieve.
What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? it from your eyes? Can we leave and make the time stand still? What if we stay?
Oh my god, you guys.
What if we stay? What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we leave and make the time stand still? What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing
Okay, I think that's enough. I know you guys see what's happening here. I know you see what's happening here. And I love it. I am so obsessed. I'm so obsessed. First impression, I'm so obsessed already.
stand still. What if we stay? Pretend there's nothing else.
For all the low maintenance girlies, low maintenance 4C hair girlies, you can stop here. Frame up your bangs, diffuse, and you're good to go, right? But for me, I want to do a little bit more because I really am trying to define the curls a bit more. I'm gonna go in with some mousse.
I want you. 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 What's on your mind? Can I read it from your eyes? Can we leave and make the time stand still? What if we stay?
Now we're gonna go in with some styling gel. So here we are. I want to define it a little bit more, so I'm going to go in with some gel. Doesn't matter which one. This is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use.
Flip a switch on a brick and I come alive in the night time. In the club sipping Hennessy, and tell him I'm dead if he calling me. Flip a switch on a brick and I very sound bitch. Do you cross that line? Black heels, black shades, and my energy. Tell him I'm dead if he calling me. Very silly man, blue block, mute, tap, new ID in the stack, new dicks on top. Got best case, worst case plan of attack. Got bitches at the sea and the sheet getting slapped. Don't threaten me or talk to me ever like that. I got brothers in the ends that'll pull up right now. You don't even wanna see the way I pull up right now. With my little black dress and my neck pushed down. How I flip a switch on a prick and I come alive in the night time. In the club sipping Hennessy, tell him I'm dead if he calling me. Flip a switch on a prick and I very sound bitch. Do you cross that line? Black heels, black shades, and my energy. Tell him I'm dead if he calling me.
now I'm gonna just clean up my bangs just slightly, and then we can diffuse. You guys, I think we found one. I'm so annoyed I cannot find my diffuser attachment. Okay guys, so I went ahead and kind of blended my hairline into the wig and did a little bit of baby hairs around the perimeter of my head. My OGs already know that I do have alopecia certain points on my hairline, one being right here. So this is the tintation like tint spray. So you see that little spot right there. I'm just gonna go in and anywhere I feel like could use a little, help. Don't worry, this product dries within 5 minutes, so you can touch and stuff and it won't transfer. Oh my god! Like magic. I think that's enough because we're not going in here right now. But you guys, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Are you insane right now? You cannot tell me that this isn't growing out of my head. Thinking of all the cute styles that I can do, because I can possibly do like let's say I don't want any of my hair in my face while I'm away because it's really hot. In the summertime, I can do a half up, half down. Flip it to this side if I want to. I need to stop playing with it and allow it to fully dry. You cannot tell me that that's not my hair. You cannot tell me that this is not my hair. Hey guys, so after flipping it all over the place and playing with it, I had to go back over with some water to redefine certain spots because I decided to style it in a flip over method side part. That looks so good. I have 2 clips in here. I have a metal one right here and I have the black one it came with up here because I want it to dry with some height, with some volume. We're almost done. Home stretch. I'm going to give it some time to air dry and then I'll come back and show you guys the finished result. I leave for Europe in a week and I wanted a hairstyle that was not just going to be protective, but also cute, also very natural, also very realistic. You can't convince me that this isn't my hair, even if you tried. A protective style, 100% damage-free, no lace, no glue, tracks or tape-ins. I can literally take this off my head and go to sleep. I feel so confident. I feel like, honestly, this is my hair. I've transformed into a new woman. I've been looking for that hairstyle that feels like my signature look, and I think I found it. Curly me hair can get my money any day, because are you kidding me? Let me know in the comments how you feel about half wigs. Have you ever tried a half wig before? Because my entire personality just changed. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so you do not miss whenever I post another video. And until next time, love you, bye.